Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today's topic name is difference between array and collection. So first we see the difference between both. First difference is size. The size array are fixed in size. That is, once the array with the specific size is declared, then we can't alter its size. Means it is fixed, we cannot change. But in collection, the collection is dynamic in size. That is, it is based on requirement size. Could we get the alternate even after its declaration? Then second is a memory. The consumption array, due to the fast execution consumption, more memory and its better performance. And in collection, one on the other hand, consuming less memory but also have low performance as compared to array. Then third, the data type array can could the only the same type of data in its collection. That is, only homogeneous data type element are allowed case in the array. But in collection, one of other hand, we can hold both homogeneous and heterogeneous element, so we can store in that both type of element. Then primitive storage array can hold both object and primitive type data. On the other hand, the collection can hold only object type but not the primitive type of data. Then performance array, due to its storage and internal implementation, better in performance. Then collection, on the other hand, with respect to performance, is not recommended to use. Then collection is resizable or dynamically drawable memory. Provide useful data structure in the form of predefined classes and reduce programming efforts. It supports to store a heterogeneous element or object. Then it provide higher performance. It provide extendability, incoming flow of the data. The size of collection framework variable increasing than the framework variable is containing extendability. It provide adaptability facility of adding the content of on collection framework variable to another collection framework, either in the beginning or in the ending or in the middle, in known as adaptability. Then it provide inbuilt searching techniques. It provide higher preliminary, means it provide more techniques. Then in a collection there are different types of interface. Iterable is a root interface, and it's implemented by collection and all the subclass of the collection. Means collection means in collection, it is a way, means we can store in collection many values. And collection framework means it is it is storage of predefined classes and interfaces where we can use. And there in array, array is fixed size. Means we can once we declare, then we can't change it. In array and in collection, there are many types of techniques: searching, sorting, etc. With the help of we can perform different types of operation. So that is today's topic. Thank you.